What if I recorded every day of my life forever? Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So lately, cough and catarrh have been dealing with me. Then I decided to do a home remedy, which is adding some pieces of tom tom inside hot water. So after adding it, I allowed it to melt. I quickly went inside, brought out all my dirty clothes and soaked it. I wanted to use washing machine, but NEPA decided to disappoint me. I said, no problem. I'm going to use my hand, nothing spoil. So after soaking the clothes, I went inside, bring out my tonton mix and drank it. So after drinking it, I started doing my cleanup. So last week, when I was preparing my snacks, I saw scorpion beside me. Beside me, oh God. And I was sitting on the floor, tying my shin. I was scared, but I killed the scorpion. I said, on this fateful day, I am going to do cleanup. I'm going to spray sniper everywhere around the house. I spread the sniper in the parlor, in the room, in the kitchen, and even in the toilet. It killed so many insects. It killed cockroach. It killed mosquito, some flies, so many insects I saw on the ground that fateful day. Hmm. So I want to tell you guys a little story about how scorpion bite me when I was small. So one fateful day when I was eating, that time I was still in the village. That was 2010. I was eating and it was in the night. So the scorpion climbed my leg and bite me on my leg. I won't forget that day. I will never forget that day. I cried out my eyes that day because the pain. Thank God my mom was around. She brought out some anti-poison, used razor to scrape the mouth of the scorpion out, apply some anti-poison on my leg. That was how I survived it. I'm done washing my clothes. So guys, in part 2, I'll show you guys how I did the cleanup because I don't want this video to be much longer. So bye. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.